So you want to make your computer go boop, but you don't know how. Fear not, for I'm here to teach you exactly how. First, you open up a blank window and then sprinkle some magic on it, et voila! But wait, you say, that's no boop. That's a wailing wail of a whale wailing in the deepest wilderness of the ocean. To which I say, you're right. So let's turn that into a boop with some extra ingredients. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. No, wait, there's more. That was a boot, alright, but we can do better with some extra seasoning. Now pay attention because this is hard, but the results are worthwhile. And after all of this, time to practice your clavier. Wow, 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 wow,